So Ubi, we are at COP27 in Egypt, just in front of the beautiful Red Sea. What did you see during our dive?
It was an amazing dive. The diversity of life, of fish in the sea is just amazing. But I also have to say, we saw some degradation of the corals reef.
At the Boston Consulting Group, how do you act on these thematics of biodiversity and marine ecosystem?
So what we have done for years is we have, together with the WWF, developed a UN treaty to bend the curve on nature until 2030. And what we want is companies to understand that nature is as important as the 1.5 commitment in Paris. Companies still need to understand what nature positive means, what are the different dimensions, and it's much more local than carbon emission. So I think it's still a long journey, but we are working with some of the leaders in that space, and we believe that it is a competitive advantage going forward to be first. So biodiversity and nature is the next frontier for many CEOs. So I think it's time to talk about solutions now. Yeah? It's not time for pledges. I think it's very important that biodiversity also gets a voice. So COP15 in Montreal in December will be very important, not just to focus on carbon, but also understand what's the broader relevance of nature-related dimensions. I think if we want to have a chance as a human species, we need to be personally touched by the beauty of nature.